The traditional way of earning income has changed a lot. We are used to working for 12, 13 hours a day and earn an income. And now these days you can work for 2, 3 hours a day and earn more income than what you used to earn on the 12-hour shift. I'm Peter from Meyerton. I used to work for a mine where I worked 12-hour shifts and I was put on medical pension. And now I found a business that I can earn more money for less time work. And it's all digital work, it's all new to us. For our generation, it's new. Technical or digital products is new to us. So we need to learn how to work with that things, and we need to start learning how to trust these things as well. So if you want to learn how to work with these digital products, just write for me there in the comments, trust, and I can share the idea with you, or WhatsApp me, or phone me. My number is here at the bottom. Thank you. Peter is out.